What is going on, y'all? It's your boy Mr. J Pro back in the building. I am so excited and kind of sad. It's a bittersweet type of video, but I posted something on my Instagram a couple weeks ago. I don't know where I'm looking at my monitors, whatever. But yeah, I posted something on my Instagram a couple days ago about this new camera that I bought, and I got so many questions about this product, and I was asked, can you make a video on it? Can you make a review? So it's just gonna be one of my quickest reviews, and I'm just gonna get straight into it. I jumped into the world of 360 cameras. I always had my eye on them, and I just like, you know what, let me just go buy one. I had no experience. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you quickly what it is. The 360 R1. This was the only one available at my local camera store. This is it right here. For the most part, it was good. It was really good, actually. Just after using it for a couple days, I just realized like this particular model is not the one for me. Why? Because I don't like the module aspect of it. I don't like the fact that there's a 4K action camera. I'm not an action camera guy. I literally just wanted a 360 camera just to have different perspectives of my BTS, whether I'm at a commercial, a wedding, a real estate shoot, whatever I'm at, or even just for fun. Having the 360 camera modular version with the 4K action camera, which I'm not even gonna use, and then I didn't even know that this is the older version. There's an RS model that has a I don't know if it has better battery life, but I know it has better sensor, it's just, this is not, if you are looking for just a straight 360 camera just for fun, or better perspectives of BTS, or better perspectives of just your everyday life vlogging or whatever, just to have one, and you specifically want a 360 camera, I personally do not recommend this one. This is the this is the R1. Camera's great, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with it, but spending all that money and to know that there's a 4K action camera that I'm never gonna use, I am not interested in it at all. So I went ahead and ordered the Insta360 X2. So I'm on my way to go pick that up. I'm going to show you guys some comparisons, and to be honest, there is a better bit rate and all that stuff, but I don't really care about that. I just want to have fun with the camera. I just want to have a good 360 camera that I could fit in my pocket. Don't like the battery. Like, I don't like the fact that if I want to mount this on a tripod, if I want to mount it on the selfie stick, which I got, the Insta360, you have to put it into this case, into the, like, 360 X2, everything is just right there. Like, you mount it right onto the camera, everything is perfect, everything's right there. That's what I like. I like run and gun, run and go. Just, you know, I don't get that with this one. You have to take it out of the module thing, and I don't even want to take it back out because like everything's in here, but it's just not as fast paced as I'd like it to be. The battery life is not the greatest. By the time you start to have fun, you see that your battery's dying. I can't recommend it. I'm sorry. I love it. It's great for my first experience with 360 cameras. Yeah, I'm gonna jump into the video. I'm gonna cut this, and then hopefully by that time I have the X2. This is the camera. See that focus there. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm gonna cut now and get into the X2. Hopefully I have it by now. Guys, I did it. It's a couple hours later. Actually, it's the next day, and I got it. They had it ready for me. The 360 Insta360 One X2, and here she is, and I'm gonna call her name Ella. Why? I have no idea. This is the Insta360 X2. Guys, I've been playing around with it for a little bit, and I'm telling you right off the bat, I cannot say that I've been using this enough to recommend it, or I'm an expert in using this, but I'm telling you right off the bat, just the compactness, if that's a word, the size of the lens, the size of the screen, just the lack of the modular aspect of the camera, to know that this is just a turn on, press record, and you have a 360 camera. This is all I wanted. And again, I have no experience with 360 cameras. I just know that I've always wanted one. When I talk about when I'm going to look for equipment, I'm always looking for things that are just amazing. And you could go on vacation, you could go on a trip, you could go to the park, you could go out for a drive, you could go anywhere and have a 360 camera that shoots in 5K, that shoots in 3K, that shoots in 4K, and you carry around this little stick and you could see the world around you. You don't have to worry about where you're pointing it, and it's all in this size, opposed to carrying around a camera, carrying around a gimbal. I'm gonna show you guys some comparisons. And no, I lied. I'm not gonna show you comparisons because I don't think it is a crazy difference with the quality. I think it's more of a features and more of a compact difference. And yes, there's a higher bit rate. And I have to do a lot more research, but I just wanted to just show a quick little synopsis of the Insta360 One X2. The reason I literally had my Insta360 One R for 4 days, and I realized right off the bat, this is not the camera for me. I don't care about the action cam, and I don't care about the modular aspect of it. I just want to be able to put this in my pocket, press record, and I have instant 360 footage. So this is it, guys. I hope if you guys are in the market and looking for a 360 camera in 2022, that this was helpful in some way, shape, or form. And if it has been helpful, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you really like me, please follow me on Instagram, and you can see all the craziness behind the scenes, what I do on my commercial shoots, my weddings, real estate, and all that stuff. But yeah, if this has helped you guys, please make sure to support your boy. In the meantime, between times, get it times 4.